no mubaka anyivie tax hiyo, otherwise tumelemewa toko maruta mothe. Hapa tunapigania mama mboga na bodaboda. Mama mboga huyu alisema na bodaboda asiali maito matangero ira nimo turarwira omothe relentlessly nginya maondo ya mathire abunge aya muge no guteondongi not amend, remember, not amend, reject.
De Kirogoya turera MP wito atobe musimamo wake na thia gweithie finance bill yo tondo ithuete iretu sanitary towels tutateseka sana, wengine wetu tuko shule ni turathenika kiogwo indo imwe citiagirwo gwikira tax hata akiweza atupe free ama aje.
It's not just about sanitary towels. This morning tumesikia Treasury wameambia MPs that they're going to cut the NGCDF. What are they trying to do to our education system? The health sector, that is also a problem. The fact that we're talking about sanitary towels is even mind-boggling. To think that we have female representatives considering adding tax on things as essential as sanitary towels or pampers, it's crazy to think about. We might not be, they wanasema tumelipwa na ma politicians. No, this is the agitation of the young people. We are not funded by anyone, and if young people can stand up, I'm pretty sure 2027 tapeleka hawa walala hoi wote nyumbani.
Generation Z, we are here to say to the world nitukurugama twarie na uma na nitukurugamia tongoria itu mwaka githurano giukite from MCA to governor. Turi athomu twereirwo mawira tutihetwo tukininirwo kazi mtaani umuthi ona ithu turerera guku ayuthi ngi guku maretwo mungiki na no ithuĩ twathuranire tutigwitikira hau. Generation Z turi acanuku na tukuria generation millennial area atuciarire they here to us na matuthikiririe manyitane na Generation Z. We make a difference in this country. We are resisting punitive finance bill ya 2024.
We are going to be the next parliamentarians and we are going to reject every impunity. And to our president, you must go home. And this is the reason. You are a scammer. You lie to Kenyans. You lie to our mothers. You lie to our brothers who are doing border. And right now, you are busy. You don't listen to them. And we are here to protect our nation. We are here to protect our nation.